All right, so today I'm going to show you where to find some of the key areas for, or I guess one of the key areas for SEO within Squarespace. So each individual page, excuse me, has a section specifically for SEO. So I'm going to show you how to find that. We're still dealing with the Houston dance school, and we are going to work on the about page. The reason why I'm not doing the home page is there's a different area to do it, and I will show that in a different video. So we have the about page. We're just going to click on it here. We're going to click on this gear icon, and we're going to select SEO. Great. So here we have the meta description of the website. They're calling it the SEO description, and basically Google will, Google will kind of automatically generate one for you that they think works. However, to override it is probably best. And that will help your SEO the most. So I'm going to show you like a little fast way to do it. It's not a cheat. This is how everyone does it. So this business is located in Houston. They want Houston-based customers to come to their classes. And if we scroll down here in one of the descriptions, it talks about how all bodies, genders, races, shapes are welcome to these dance classes. So it's an inclusive dance school, right? That focuses on community and acceptance. So chances are someone who wants to go to this studio is looking for an inclusive dance studio. And inclusivity is a big part of their mission and their about page. So I'm going to go into Google and type in inclusive dance classes in Houston, Texas. Okay. So right away, we're going to look at some of, the top ones that are coming here. And we're going to look at the meta descriptions that they have. Everyone can dance in a program that integrates dance, music, and art for neurodivergent students with disabilities. Okay, so this one's focusing on neurodivergent people. Maybe not the best description for us, so let's continue. Ignite passion for contemporary dance by providing superior quality dance education, world-class performances, and community building outreach. Okay, so that's not quite about inclusivity. Here we go. Diva Dance offers fun, inclusive, pop music inspired dance choreography classes, parties, programs for adults, locations nationwide. Okay, so it's not quite Houston based, but we're starting to get there. So through here, we can start to see some descriptions that might work for us that we can take inspiration from. And, here are the things that are hopping up on the first page. So, saying Houston, Texas or Houston TX is probably going to be really important to be in there. Saying that it's a dance studio, and then saying it's inclusive or using some of the words from the description here, right? So I'm going to copy... I'm going to copy this, and we are going into the About section here, SEO, and I'm going to copy and paste some of that in. Now, what is most important, right? We need the studio name. That's great. Is a dance studio and fitness studio for bodies of all abilities, genders, races, shapes, and sizes located in the heart of Houston, Texas. Let's go back here, see if there's anything else that we need to add. Okay, classes, parties, and programs for adults. Let's see if this website does stuff like that. I'm going to hit save. Let's see. Inspiring strength and building community through judgment-free dance. Okay, that's really important. Judgment-free. So let's add that to here. Is a dance and fitness studio and judgment-free zone for bodies of all abilities, genders, races, shapes. And again, always make sure that your spelling is correct. Okay, so we have taken inspiration through some of the wording, what they're kind of saying. So here, Diva Dance was at the front. We've put rotate, we put the dance school name at the front. We have the word dance. We have the word class. Do we have the word classes? That's important. Okay, so this is what we're going to change here. Offering judgment-free classes. Okay, so we have the word classes now, which is great, right? Because someone's going to be searching the word classes. So as you can see, we are using the words from the actual page of this website, and we are using inspiration from what's showing up at the top of Google, what we think someone would search to find our about page, right? So we're using some inspiration from that and inspiration from our actual page to then come up with this SEO description. We are putting in some of our keywords in the first, 7 words. We're like front loading it. That's a very web designer terminology, but we're front loading. We're putting the most important keywords at the very front. Houston, Texas is like a local keyword, so it's really important, but not as important. So it's okay that it's at the back. Maybe for our contact page, Houston, Texas is going to be way more important, so we might put that at the front for the contact page. But we're putting in our keywords, we are front loading it, and we are using inspiration from what's showing at the top of the search engines and what is within our actual about page. So go through your website and start doing this for each one of your pages. And remember, what is your keyword that you are trying to rank for that page, for that specific page, and see if you can front load it. Okay. All right. We're going to hit save, and there you go. That is now your meta description for this about page when search engines are looking for you. That's what's going to show up here. So this is the meta description here. This is what's going to show up.